Hi guys, this video is a bit different to my usual Plan With Me videos. In this vid, I'll be showing you how I use some of the stickers from the latest sticker release in my Etsy shop, rosekpaperco. I'm also going to be using a different notebook for this as well. I'm using a Limon notebook. This notebook is beautiful with its pink cover and blue edges. It has lovely thick paper, I think 100 GSM, I'm not too sure. It's also got two ribbons, pink and blue. You can actually see that the paper is quite thick, but one issue I have with it is that the dots don't always line up. I'm not sure if you can see it here, but the dots on the right hand page is slightly higher than the left. I find this super annoying, so probably wouldn't use it as a daily journal for that one reason. But anyway, let me just quickly show you what stickers I'll be using in this setup, including my new Dutch door sticker, which I'm so excited about. All of these stickers that I'll be using will be available in my Etsy store, which I'll link below. Now you can see some of these stickers may look familiar to you. I've based them on my theme that I did in my bullet journal in January, Stars and Feathers. Okay, so first up, I'm going to set up a simple monthly log for March. For me, the hardest part of creating spreads using stickers is simply which stickers to use and where to place them. But otherwise it's super simple to create really beautiful spreads using stickers. Now these date dot stickers can save you a lot of time when you're setting up a monthly log. This sheet comes with enough for 2 lots of 31-day months. Now let me just quickly add my word of the year, which is focus. And all done. Next up, I'm going to use a couple of stickers from my functional header sticker sheet to create a simple monthly task list on the left hand side and a monthly goals page on the right hand side. Super quick and easy. So now I'm going to create a Dutch door weekly spread using my new Dutch door sticker, which I swear will make your life so much easier. If you're a subscriber or a follower, this will look very familiar to you. I'm just marking out where I want my Dutch door to be, and then after that I'm going to plan my small weekly log on the page behind it. These boxes are 9 squares wide by 5 squares high, 7 boxes, giving me 7 days of the week. And just cut the Dutch door. Now I've decided that this weekly will be for the first full week in March, which is March 4 to March 10. So I'll be decorating my heading now using a Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen and some more stickers. The Dutch door sticker has a dotted line running down the centre. Using a ruler and scissors, gently score the line. You want to score the line but not cut through it. This helps you to fold a neat edge. Now just carefully fold along the line. And you'll find the two sides will fit over your Dutch door that you've just cut out. Carefully peel off one half of the sticker and then stick down on the edge of your Dutch door. Then, once you've done that, peel off the remaining backing paper and carefully stick down the second half of the sticker. The design should line up perfectly on both sides. Then, using your scissors, you can cut the extra white paper off of the sticker if you want. This might actually be easier if you have an X-Acto knife and a cutting match, which I don't have, so scissors it is. So you can see that the sticker is created so that you have the mirror image of the design on both sides of the page. Isn't it cool? So, on to complete the rest of my weekly spread. I'm using some weekday header stickers. There's enough on the sheet for 3 weeks. I'm going to give myself 2 days on each page. And since I have some room after Sunday, I'm going to use the habit tracker sticker for my functional headers sheet to create a small habit tracker for the week. Let's finish this off by adding the dates next to the days and using the rest of the decorative stickers. And that is a super simple and quick setup using stickers. No artistic skill necessary. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try out some stickers in your next bullet journal spreads. Please let me know what you think of the video and the stickers in the comments below, and if there are any Dutch door designs that you'd like to see in the shop, also drop me a comment below. And remember to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Oh, and one last thing, if you do use my stickers in any of your spreads, please tag rosekpaperco on Instagram or Facebook, and maybe I'll be able to share them on my next video. Thanks for watching!